You may have noticed there's a pattern here. I keep switching the direction of the signs every problem, and it's basically a copy of it, just making it either less than in one or greater than the other. So bear with me. Okay, so in this one, absolute value of 2x plus 5 is less than or equal to 7. Oh, it's an absolute value of blah is less than, and. So when I break this apart, there's going to be an and combining the two inequalities. So remember, the a side, I did the funky thing to it. I'm going to keep the absolute value expression as is, just what's inside the absolute value bars. I switch the direction of the sign, make this number negative. That's just how it does, or how it works. I'm just doing it like that. So bear with me. I'm not explaining all the magic behind it or math behind it. 2x plus 5 is less than or equal to 7. That's going to be the b side. For the b side, remember, I just take away the absolute value bars, whatever's inside there, the 2x plus 5, leave it as is. And then the less than or equal to the number part, keep that as is. So I'm just dropping the absolute value bars in the b side. The a side is where I do the funky thing. I take the absolute value expression within the parentheses, or sorry, within the absolute value bars, keep it as is, the 2x plus 5, and then change the direction of the sign, change the sign of the number. So instead of being a positive 7, now it's a negative 7. So what do? Okay, I'm going to approach part A, and I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, treat it as I would a regular algebraic equality. So I have 2x is greater than or equal to negative 12. I'm like, oh wait, I don't want to know 2x, I just want to know x, so I divide both sides by 2, and I have x is greater than or equal to negative 6. Bam, and it's going to be an and for whatever the b part throws at me here. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides, so I have 2x is less than or equal to 2. Divide both sides by 2. What do I have? Oh, x is less than or equal to 1. So remember, it's an and, so I'm going to combine these. I have the 1 here. I'll put a 0 here just to kind of give you guys a frame of reference, and the negative 6 to the left. And oh, greater than or equal to negative 6, that means I include it because this little like equal looking sign, half equal looking sign below the greater than. Okay, and then I'm going to go this way because x is going to be greater than or equal to that negative 6. And then, it stops because x also at the same time has to be less than or equal to 1. Equal to, that means I fill in the dot and then go to the left. So basically it has to be less than or equal to 1 and greater than or equal to negative 6. Think of it as a crazy Disney ride where you have to be at least negative 6, greater than or equal to negative 6, and less than or equal to 1 at the same time. So your height has to be somewhere between these two parameters, the negative 6 and 1. I know negative 6 is not really good height to be, but hey, that's just how it is. This is math.